Alright, this is my camera, my Kingslim D2. Gonna turn my car on now. Makes a cute little noise when it starts up. This is where I've placed it, so I got great view between my side, passenger side and driver's side. I use this to record for my drag racing. I'm a Ford drag team member. My number is F24. I'm recording from my Mustang. I have an EcoBoost Mustang. But this is the picture I get. It's freaking amazing. But let me see. We'll continue to back out and show you guys. Or I guess I'll come forward and show you guys how great the picture actually is. So here we go. Let me come forward. And see, it's still showing the side of the Mustang, which is right there. It's got a great angle on the camera, and I am still nowhere near where I park on to the garage. There we go. Kind of shows all the stuff in my garage, the camera. You can kind of see right there. Great view, amazing, and this is where I normally park. Again, like I said, I love this camera. It's great for my YouTube channel, which is Pink's Garage. It's great for recording racing, and just wanted to let y'all know. This is a good buy. I mean, good purchase, sorry.